welcome to my channel. So today's YouTube video, we are going to rebrand. We're doing a little bit of a rebrand for my podcast. So I'm getting ready to rebrand my podcast logo, and also just a little graphics rebrand for YouTube. So if you want to learn how to make your own podcast cover and YouTube banner and just some podcast and YouTube rebranding, then you want to make sure you stay tuned and watch this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, with that being said, let's get to it. So yeah, I just feel like right now, like I'm in a rebrand. I don't know, I want to change out like my brand kit colors and like all this different stuff. So yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna press create, and we're gonna type in podcast cover, podcast logo. So we typed in podcast, and we're gonna go to the one that says podcast logo, and we're just gonna click on that one. It's gonna give us a new tab, and these are the ones, like these are some templates in here. So let's see what they have in here. So yeah, I just want to see what they have in here. And I want my logo to be just really simple, like easy to read and simple, but also just bring some color too. Like, we just gonna make it simple. I'm not even about to do all of that. I'm just about to make it simple. So I do want to change it to what I want to change it to. That's actually called Nicole. Do I really want that? Content creator, podcaster, YouTuber. I actually like that. Let's see, bolded. No, I don't like it bold. I want it italicized. Yeah. Oh, that actually gives it like, I like that a lot, way a lot better than. Then what I'm gonna do with the phone? I just want to add this one. I had my self-care channel, but I want to add this and put this in here. Boom. But I just want it to be mine. Kind of like, you know. Yeah. Is that right? Alright, yeah. Yeah, center. Alright. So now I do want to add the not the microphone, but like the let me see what's on here. Let it burn. Okay, here we go. Alright, we got more. Alright. So I can put, yeah, this is what I was looking for. Like this. Yup. Like that. Or even like this too. Yeah. Let me click on here. I kind of like this one too, actually. me see. I actually kind of like this one too. It's giving more engaging, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it make you want to eat. I actually like this one. And then we can put, oh, all right, bring this down a little bit and put this one right. Yup, 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 yup. I like that. I actually like this. Now, do I like that, like this, or like this? I think I like it under. What you think? I think I like it under. You like it? I don't know. But when you watch it, like when you see it, oh, I don't need this if I can't change the color. Hold on, hold on, hold on. They got somewhere. Let me what did I type in? Abstract. Oh, I actually like if you need your own logo and you just don't feel like making one and you don't feel like going through all of this like I'm doing to make a logo, I can always make your podcast logo for you. Audio podcast logo for you. It don't matter if it's audio or video. Um, I'm just gonna. Do I like that? We could try this one too. You see a little bit more color, you know. What's this behind it? Oh, something is behind it. I don't know. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, let's see. Put it this way and put it. I like it. I think this is it's professional, but it's fun. It's minimalistic. Is giving personality, but it's also minimalistic. But it's also like it's a little bit of color, but not like depressing. Like it's light. It's inviting. It's a little bit vibrant, and it's also showing like growth from like our podcast logo from before and podcast logo after, you know, like kind of like that, like, you know, that's what I'm giving. So let's look at it. Let's see. Let's look at it. I love it. All right. Podcast logo. All right. So now let's go ahead and how long I've been on here. I don't know how long I've been on here, but let's go ahead and create. Let's go ahead. So now let's create the YouTube banner. So this is what our YouTube banner looks like now. Hold on. I don't know why I look like that. Dashboard. Home. So this is what our YouTube banner looks like right now. So I want to keep this, but I want to like make it more so like how my podcast cover. I want everything to match pretty much. So we still gonna have the phone. We still gonna have this. We just gonna remake this, but make it this YouTube banner. So, and we're gonna change this. Actually, we can change that now. But I'm gonna recreate. I'm gonna make the YouTube banner, and then we can just plug everything in. But I do like this logo too. But I want everything to match. You know, if it makes sense. Like I want everything to match. So now we're gonna go to Canva. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna just make a separate another YouTube video. Am I? No, I'm not gonna just do all of that. I'm not gonna do all of that. All right, so we're gonna go in the YouTube banner template tab, but for you to find, I do have a video on how to create how to make a YouTube banner. So this one, so I'll link that below. This is just a come work with me. I'm not really showing you. I'm just like I'm just come work with me pretty much. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna change out the colors. We're gonna actually we're gonna keep this open because I need the color palette. So this is, we use that color. Okay, so we're gonna change this color out to, I think it's this. Yeah, I think that's what it was. Yeah, see, it looks so much better already. Like just that one, like just that thing. Like sometimes you don't have to do a lot just to, you know. We're gonna keep the subscribe button. I'm just gonna be going back and forth here. So we're gonna change this. Oh, this is already changed to and we're just gonna put, why look like that though? That's not the one. Is that the font we use? Hold on. 10 numbers. That is the font. But why does font look a little weird? Oh, because everything is in caps. Oh, that's why. Okay. Right, yeah, everything was in caps. Okay. And two, you want to make sure that like it's clear, like you could, like it's easy to read. And we're gonna actually change. We're gonna make that a little bit more. We're gonna change this to like this one minus we. All right, let's see. So we're gonna add text box. We're gonna change it to, I can't even call it. Alright. Boom. But I don't know. It's something. Let me see. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright, so this is, what I say? Okay, content creator pocket. Okay. Content creator, podcaster, YouTuber. Boom. And I actually want to bring it down a little bit. But see, creating a YouTube banner is a little tricky. It's a little bit tricky. All right, so what's on here? I actually want to. I want to actually have that. Yeah, the speaker and the play, the little play thing, the little play thing. Hold on, let's see. Boom. that you want? I got this song stuck in my head for some reason. What is it that you want? Let me see. Okay, it goes. See, I don't want to do too much because it only shows but so much too. If that makes sense too. So I'm gonna pull this up like a little bit. Alright, so now we're gonna download this. So we're gonna download. Boom. It's cute, it's simple. So now we have we created our YouTube banner and our podcast logo. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Oh, let me upload it. So let's go ahead and upload. Let's go ahead and post it to Spotify. Hopefully, all right. So we already on the Spotify app. I have tutorials on how to use Spotify and a tour guide. So that video will be linked in the description box as well. So we're gonna go to settings. And we're gonna go down here and we're gonna click on update cover. We're gonna click on upload an image and we're gonna click on recents. I'm about to delete all these photos because I don't even use these photos anymore. Like, I don't know why it's on here, but I'm about to where is it? What is it that you want? What is it that you need? Oh, here we go, right here. Alright, so boom. Alright, we're gonna click on finish. And where is it? Let's see how good it looks. Let's see. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so good. All right, so now we have our new podcast cover. I'm so excited. So the podcast cover should be changed on Apple Podcasts and my YouTube channel too. All right, so now if it's not, we're going to go ahead and do that now too. So now we're going to go to the dashboard and we're going to click on customize, and we're going to oh, I forgot to make, oh, we got to fix that too. We're just going to make it, we're just going to make a let's do that now. I'm going to do that right now. Yeah, we can do that right now. All right, so now we're going to we're going to change out our YouTube logo. So this is our YouTube logo. This is what our YouTube logo looks like from before. I'm just going to click on add a page and we're going to change the background to this, and we're going to we're just going to fix it a little bit. That's all. All right, so Nicole. Actually, we're going to add text, and we're going to put Nicole Social Hub there. Let me just make sure. I want to know what it look like. And we're going to put just that at the bottom, and that's it. We're not going to do, we're not, I don't think I'm going to do, because you can only fit but so much, so I don't think I'm going to add all of this other stuff on there, but we is going to add like the shapes and the abstract stuff just to make it a little cute, if whatever could fit on there, you know. But it just depends, honestly. So yeah. All right, we're going to add text box, and we're going to change that to, what's that font? Monostrate. going to add, and we're going to just italicize it, and we're going to just add, actually, I'm going to bring it down a little bit, from right here. We're going to add, I'm going to say, creator, podcaster, YouTuber. Boom. We're going to bring this up just a little bit more. And just make it a little bit fun. We're just going to, hold on, let me see what this said. Yeah, we want it right in the middle, so we're going to bring it down just a little bit more. Like right in the middle. Alright, and we didn't do too much. But we're going to just add some shit, some elements. But I don't know, like, how it's going to look like, you know. Let me see. I don't think it makes sense to put this on here. I think I'm just going to put this on here, though. Make it a little cute. We're going to add that. No, I don't feel like adding all of that. Alright, this is it. This is our new YouTube logo. So we're just going to click share and click download. And we're just going to click on page 2. And then, hi. Alright, cool. So we got that. Now, we got everything. So we have, alright, so now we're going to go to YouTube. And we're going to click on change. And we're going to click on recents. I don't know, this thing is so weird. It really is weird. Here we go. This is our logo. Click on open. Yup, that's what we want. And we'll click on done. And that's our new logo for our YouTube. Now we're going to change out this. We're going to find it somewhere. Tell me what you want. Alright, right here, boom. Click open. You see, I gotta change it a little bit. So we're gonna go back to Canva, and we're just gonna make the font a little bit smaller. Boom. Alright, click share. Perfect. Yup. You see how I fixed it a little bit? So sometimes with the YouTube banner, you do have to make sure that you're in the guidelines. So on YouTube itself, when you posting a new YouTube banner, you'll get these guidelines, and they'll help you to stay within the guidelines. So yeah, now we're gonna click on done, and we're gonna click on publish. Now we're gonna go view channel. Where's it? All right, here we go. And I'm gonna make sure that, because I don't want to get confused. I don't want to get confused. Okay. Hold on. Because I don't want to get confused. We really don't need this anymore. All right, look. So now we got our new YouTube banner. Boom. We got our logo, our YouTube logo. Boom. And we got our new podcast cover. Boom. Right there. So I just want to look. I know it probably won't change. It's probably not going to change. But I do want to look at the podcast tab and see if it changed. see it didn't change. So I do want to see something. I don't want to, I just want to click on view, and we're going to click on this little edit icon, and we're going to just upload our new podcast cover that we just did. So yeah, where is it? Boom. It looks so good. It looks so cute. Boom. Now let's see if it's gonna change. Boom. So now you might have, I might have to like go like in each one of these and change the like, I'm gonna click on view, and I'm gonna click on this. No, not this. I'm gonna click on these dots, and um so so our podcast is now on YouTube. So when you go on the YouTube tab, you could like change it from here. But I don't know how to do. I'm still like learning how to do all of this. Hold on, let me go to YouTube Studio real quick. Let me click on content. And so really quick, I'm gonna do a if you want a YouTube Studio tour, comment down below the words YouTube Studio, and I'll make that tour for you. But really quick up here, these are all the different tabs. But in the podcast tab, this is where you'll come in. Like now all my podcast episodes are uploaded on this tabs. So let me go to videos. So from here, I would have to go ahead and like upload like a I don't know if it's gonna let me do it. See, I don't know. Yeah, it's not gonna let me. I don't think it's gonna let me up it. I don't think it has a. Oh, it do. Okay, so I would have to upload like each one as my. But going forward, it will have. I'm guessing it would have, um, like the what you call them, the new podcast cover. So I'm just gonna do one just to show you. So, and we're gonna click on save. Actually, we're just gonna do them all real quick. Boom. All right, so just gonna go in here. We're gonna click on thumbnail option. Click on upload file, and we're just gonna grab our it's so cute. Click on save, and we're gonna do this one. We're gonna click on save, and then we'll click on upload thumbnail, and we're going to so now we got all our new, so now you see our new podcast cover. Now all of them are, now our new logo is on there, and it looks so good. It looks so bomb. It looks so good. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, it's just basically a come work with me, just a come work with me. So what we did, please make sure you put a checklist on the screen of what we did so far. So, and I'm going to go through my Trello, and I'm going to just check that off as well. So what we did so far is, I'm just going to show what we did. So first thing we did was we created our podcast logo. We did that. We checked that off. Then we went ahead and created our new YouTube banner. We did that. Then we went ahead and created our YouTube logo. We did that. And we also just updated our podcast logo for all our podcast episodes so far on YouTube. So that's pretty much all we did. And if you haven't tuned into our podcast, please make sure you tune into our podcast and follow the podcast as well. These are all the podcast episodes that we have on our YouTube channel and podcast on Spotify as well. We are on Apple Podcasts as well. All the links will be in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please make sure you click that subscribe button as well. All right. I'll catch y'all in the next video. All right. Later.